access to justice for children is about is all about children being able to claim their rights and seek remedies for violations of their rights. And we know that children, because of their age, because of their capacity, because of their vulnerability, are often denied access to justice, or at least not sufficiently supported to be able to actually get access to justice. So it's particularly important that countries establish systems, especially justice systems that are child-friendly, that are gender-sensitive, and that enable children through legal empowerment, through legal aid, which to really fully engage and participate in the legal process in order to obtain access to justice, to claim their rights, but also to obtain concrete remedies through their justice system to ensure that their rights are either respected or that the child is protected from child rights violations and so forth. So at the heart of access to justice is really the legal empowerment of children. UNICEF recently launched the Reimagine Justice for Children agenda in 2021. Our executive director launched this new agenda at the World Congress on Justice with Children. And really at the center of that agenda is the legal empowerment of children and how we enable children to really claim their rights. Access to justice is also particularly important for children to claim their right to an identity. When it comes to birth registration and legal identity, it is important, and children can also have recourse to the justice system to ensure that their identity, legal identity, is established if they're being denied access to legal identity. There may be a controversy around that, including who may be their parents. There may be a controversy as to where exactly they were born or what age they may be. And very few countries have there been really cases where children have been empowered and given the support they need to achieve this. It is also very important to not only look at access to justice in terms of enabling that to happen, but also to look at law reform and the reform that is needed in many countries to ensure that there isn't any discrimination in the laws that prevents certain people from either registering the birth of their child, or also in case of nationality, of acquiring a certain nationality. We know that, for example, there are about 24 countries in which women cannot pass on their nationality to their children on an equal basis as men. Now, this is extremely challenging because it means that many children may remain stateless. But we also know that there are many countries, we don't know exactly how many, but at least 40 countries, we believe, where there is some form of sex discrimination in civil registration laws. And this prevents especially women in most cases from registering their child at birth, for example, in situations where the child maybe have been born out of wedlock, or in situations where the presence of a male is required to register the child, and without that male presence the mother cannot register the child. So it leads to situations where mothers are unable through the legislative provisions to register the child at birth, and therefore those children remain either without a birth certificate or, as I said before, without nationality. And therefore it is important that these mothers and children and other individuals, interested individuals, have an opportunity through the legal system to challenge those practices and those decisions and to claim their rights.